and discuss very important topic. Any Instagram account, how many application you can use by Instagram account will be login by particular Instagram app. Suppose if you're using for desktop, you can sign in only for one account. One you can log out, you can use another one, or else changing by the browser for logging for another account. But mobile application, anytime you can access by the 5 accounts without login, without logout. Anytime you can log in by total 5 accounts, you can use by the 5 account by your particular Instagram. That only for use by mobile version. That is called coming to mobile Instagram. This is your mobile home page. If we add any accounts, they come into your user account. Come into above. Now click here. We can add by 1, 2, 3, 4. Every Instagram app we can add by total 5 accounts. Last one I can add by one more account. Add account. Select your option. After that, enter the password. Any Instagram will be 2 certain periods are there. One is through Facebook, second will be through Instagram ID and password. Now click for login. Successful login for another account. Click for save. Next, you can see this option. Previous we have how many options are there? Only 4. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I can add one more account. Can add. So what I can do? You can each application you can install by 5 accounts. But in a mobile, one more option will give by the mobile version. That is called parallel space. You come into your mobile, you can install by the parallel space. Which one? Parallel space. You can log in for another 5 accounts. Another 5 accounts. You can use it by Instagram. This will be using by parallel space. Android users will be free. iPhone user will be pay the amount. Pay the amount. See this. What are the settings are required? You can fill up the settings will be here. So they will be use this option and log in with the Facebook. I sign up or click for login. So coming to login, you can log in with your account. So total I can log in for how many accounts? Total adding for 5 accounts. Give me seconds. I'll add in for 5 accounts. So after seeing login for your account, you can check here. I'm logging for 1, 2, 3, and 4 accounts. So this will be 4, and this Instagram will be 5. Totally, you can install by the 9 accounts. So one more pending is there. So each mobile we can log in with more than 10 accounts using by the one is Instagram application. Second will be parallel space with the Instagram application. So this is called you can install and post your content. So any application you can select here, simple, and any content will be posting. Select by here. Select your content by your option. So anyone to select by image. So select by your option and post. Select by here and select your page. Any content will be select here and click for share. Automatically shared by where? Instagram. Automatically shared by your Facebook. So select simple option. Posted your content and what are the video you can select by here? Select by all your options. Is all kind of images. Any video and select by images. Both options will be eligible by your posting your content. There will be totally we can select by option is called by account will using by the each Instagram account. One is called Instagram. Second will be you can select by the parallel space with Instagram account. So each mobile we can use by 10 Instagram account with using by Instagram app, parallel space Instagram app. Parallel space will be Instagram will be paid by the iPhone App Store person.